Hello guys, welcome back to Aki's Kitchen. This is my kitchen and I am Akis, and today I'm going to show you how to make the absolute best recipe for banana bread you ever tried. I don't know why they call it banana bread because it's actually a cake, but anyway, I will call it banana bread too, and it's great for a snack at the gym or when you are on the go. And did I mention no mixer necessary? So, I will start by preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius set to fan. Now guys, the secret is to use very ripe bananas. The riper the banana, the tastier the cake. Even if they are beaten up and dark in color, even if they are black, it's actually even better because they are sweeter and release more flavor. So peel 5 very ripe bananas and roughly chop them. I have my pan here and I'm adding 125 grams of butter and 150 grams brown sugar and stir. You would usually need double the amount of butter and sugar for a normal cake, but in this cake, the half of it is banana. In they go. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes for them to be ready. You will know they are ready when they start falling apart as you stir them in the pan. At this point guys, I have to tell you that this is how actually this recipe started. I started by making a banana buttery jam, but the recipe wasn't so good for banana jam. So I added some flour, some eggs, some chocolate, and the best banana bread came out because I didn't want to throw that jam away. This is ready, so I will take off the heat. As you can see, the banana has completely melted inside the butter and the sugar. So I will transfer this mixture in a pan. The whole kitchen smelling so banana-y. Trust me guys, this will be the best cake you ever tried. So put the mixer into the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to chill. Now I'm going to roughly chop 300 grams of milk chocolate and 80 grams walnuts on a cutting board. Put them in a bowl. Add all of the dry ingredients. 220 grams self-rising flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and stir. It's very important to coat the chocolate and walnuts with flour so they will not sink to the bottom of the pan. You want chunks in every mouthful, so please coat the chocolate and walnuts with flour. My banana mixer should be chilled by now, so I will transfer the mixer in a bowl. Let's add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix it all together. And it's time to combine the two mixers. It will be a thick batter. Grease a 10 by 30 cm loaf pan with butter. Dust it with some flour. And in goes the butter. Sprinkle some brown sugar over the top. The brown sugar will caramelize and create a crunchy surface. So, into the oven, please put it at the highest rack and bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour. My delicious banana bread is ready. I have let it sit on a wire rack for about 15 to 20 minutes before slicing it, and now it's time to eat it. the deliciousness, the awesomeness, the banana-ness of this cake is something that I cannot describe you, but I will try. It smells so nice, and I want to cut into slices. And I want to show you all the layers and the chunks inside this cake. You can see the walnuts, you can see the chocolate, and all over the chocolate and the walnut, it's pure banana. This cake is amazing. It's probably one of the best cakes I ever tried. And as I told you at the beginning, this is not like other cakes. This is Aki's cake. This is banana cake, banana bread, whatever you want. And I will serve it in a plate. And I have vanilla ice cream. 1 scoop should be enough. Few drops of maple syrup. And some mint to the top. Perfection. I'm sure that you are very jealous. Explosions of taste in your mouth. You can feel the banana all over. You can feel the chocolate and the walnuts. This is the ultimate cake. This is Aki's cake. Half of the weight of this cake is just bananas. You need only 5 ripe bananas and the best cake will be made from you. Please subscribe to my channel, Aki's Kitchen, or maybe here, Aki's Kitchen, I don't know. Please like, share and comment. And this is the champion of all cakes. Aki's cake, banana bread, call it whatever you want. Bye bye, see you at the next episode. Φιλάκια. Check out my YouTube channel and website for tons of great recipes and see you again soon.